If you want to make some quick and easy little goodie bags to hand out, try making these little Halloween goodie bags using some Halloween themed fabric scraps. They're the perfect size for adding a little bit of candy or a cute little toy. You can download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below, or just make your own rectangles and follow along with the gist of the tutorial. Start by making a narrow hem on both sides of the casing pieces. Line up the bag pieces and sew them together. So you'll line up the pieces with the casing, and then the upper bag, and then the base, and then you'll have the upper bag and the casing on the other side too. Sew each of these pieces with the right sides together. Now you want to fold the casing in half and sew. After the casings are ready, you want to fold the bag in half and sew the sides with right sides together. Now all you have to do is clip the corners, turn the bag to the right side, and add string to the casing. You'll need 2 pieces of string, and they both need to go all the way around through both sides of the casing. And that's it, you're finished. You have cute little Halloween goodie bags to hand out this season.